guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with your Shade, and I found this item in Kroger. This is the plant-based crab cakes from Good Catch. So yeah, I'm gonna let you know what I think in just a moment. Of course, the nutritional facts: it has 160 calories, 5 grams of fat, 570 milligrams of sodium, and 20 grams of protein. So I'm gonna cook this and we're gonna see how it tastes. Saute in oil on medium-high heat, flip it a couple times, and it should look something like this. Once plated, it comes out looking like this. It didn't take long, took 8 to 9 minutes on the skillet, just flipping it over in the oil that you desire. So I paired it with the spicy ranch and regular ranch. So here's a close-up. I'm gonna dip it in the spicy ranch. Now for the regular ranch. The texture is dead on. The flavor, I don't know. It's not dead on with the flavor, but the texture is definitely there. I give it an 8 out of 10. It was very tasty. I wasn't thinking they were going to be this small either. But definitely try them for yourself. Again, they are at Kroger. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.